Now we are going to study specialized cells. These are specialized cells: root hair cell, ciliated cell, red blood cell, neuron, palisade mesophyll cell, egg cell, sperm cell. These are the specialized cells. Specialized cells are the cells that have specific structures and functions that allows them to perform unique tasks or functions within an organism. This is a ciliated cell. Ciliated cell, also known as epithelial cell. Ciliated cells are a type of epithelial cells that have hair-like structures called cilia on their surface. These are the hair-like structures. They are called as cilia. Mucus transport. Ciliated cells in the respiratory tract help to move mucus, bacteria, and debris out of the lungs. These are root hair cells. Structure. They are long, thin-shaped. Root hair cells are elongated with a length that can reach up to 10 millimeter. They have large surface area. The long, thin shape of root hair cells provide a large surface area for absorption. Function of root hair cell. The function is water absorption. Root hair cells absorb water from the soil, which is then transported to the rest of the plant. This is palisade mesophyll cell. Palisade mesophyll cell is a type of tissue found in plant leaves, specifically in the mesophyll layer. Structure of palisade mesophyll cell. Palisade mesophyll cells contain a large number of chloroplasts which are responsible for photosynthesis and function. Palisade mesophyll cells are responsible for most of the photosynthesis that occurs in a leaf. This is neuron cell. A neuron, also known as a neuron or nerve cell, is a specialized cell that transmits and processes information in the nervous system. Structure of neuron cell. Cell body. It contains nucleus. This is the cell body. It contains nucleus. Dendrites. These are extensions of cell body. These are dendrites. These are the extensions of cell body. Axon, a long thin extension of the cell body. This is the long thin extension of cell body. This is called axon. Function of neuron cell. Dendrites. These branching extensions receive signals from other neurons. Axon. This long thin extension carries signal away from the cell body to other neurons, muscles, or glands. These are red blood cells. These are type of blood cell that plays a crucial role in delivering oxygen to the body's tissues. Structure of red blood cells. Biconcave disc shape. It has a unique biconcave shape. No nucleus. Mature RBCs do not have a nucleus. Hemoglobin. RBCs contain the protein hemoglobin. Flexible cell membrane. Their cell membrane is flexible. Function of red blood cells. Biconcave disc shape. It makes a larger surface area to volume ratio. No nucleus. It allows for more space to carry hemoglobin. Hemoglobin. It binds to oxygen and carries it to the body's tissues. Cell membrane. It is flexible and allows for changes in shape as the cell moves through narrow blood vessels. These are sperm cells. Sperm cells are male reproductive cells responsible for fertilizing an egg cell during conception. Structure of sperm cell. Mitochondria. The sperm cell contains a number of mitochondria. These are the mitochondria. These are mitochondria. Tail, flagellum, its long whip-like structure. This is the tail. It's a long whip-like structure. This is the tail, flagellum. Function of sperm cells. Mitochondria. Mitochondria provides energy for movement. Tail, the flagellum. It propels the sperm cell forward. This is egg cell. Egg cells are female reproductive cells responsible for fertilization and development into a new individual. Structure of egg cells. Relatively larger in size. Egg cells are largest cells in the human body with a diameter of about 0.1 to 0.2 millimeter. Limited lifespan. Their lifespan is 12 to 24 hours. Nutrients. Egg cells contain nutrients. Function of egg cells. Provide easy access. Its larger size makes easier to be located by sperms. Provide nutrients. It provides nutrients to the developing embryo during early development before implantation in the uterus. Summary of the lesson. These are ciliated cells have cilia to trap and repel the bacteria. Palisade mesophyll cells have lot of chloroplasts to trap sunlight for photosynthesis. Root hair cells have lot of thin long hair-like extensions to absorb water and minerals. Neuron cells have long extensions to carry electric impulses from one body part to other. Red blood cells are biconcave cells with hemoglobin to bind and carry oxygen. Sperm cells with tail and number of mitochondria to make quick locomotion to egg. Egg cell, large cell with storage food for zygote formed after fertilization. The end.